The Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G is expected to redefine expectations in its segment by combining extreme performance, advanced photography, and exceptional battery life in one ambitious package. At its core, the device is rumored to feature the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, a flagship-grade chipset built for high efficiency and elite performance, ensuring ultra-smooth multitasking, console-level gaming experiences, AI-driven enhancements, and seamless 5G connectivity. Photography could become its biggest headline feature, thanks to a massive 400MP main camera sensor designed to capture extraordinary detail, improved dynamic range, and enhanced low-light clarity, potentially setting a new benchmark in mobile imaging within its class. Complementing this hardware is a gigantic 9,000 mAh battery, which would provide outstanding endurance, easily lasting 2 days or more under heavy usage such as gaming, streaming, and content creation, while reducing battery anxiety for power users. Altogether, the Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G appears positioned as a bold, feature-packed smartphone aimed at users who want flagship-level specs, long-lasting power, and next-generation camera capabilities without compromise.